The AWC token created by Atomic Wallet is a strictly limited token that can also be used as a tradable asset. Here's a couple of ways to get AWC. To claim your tokens, first off, install the Atomic Wallet app. Then claim free 25 AWC by leaving an email in the Airdrop tab. You'll get your own promo code to share. Once your friends install the app, they will receive 25 AWC for signing up, and you will receive additional 25 AWC for each referral. Secondly, you can take part in our bounty campaign and get AWC as a reward for likes and retweets, or making your own content about Atomic Wallet on social media. Create an article or video and get much more tokens for quality content. And thirdly, you can buy AWC on the exchange, IDEX for example. Create your own wallet, top up your balance with Ethereum, and buy AWC with this trading pair. You can find a tutorial in the video description below. We aim to create a full ecosystem with a lot of specific features functioning on the decentralized basis. Become part of the Atomic community. Download the app at atomicwallet.io and enjoy the decentralized power.